In this video, we will demonstrate how an out-of-sync full-text index can cause issues with the search for recommended templates in Smart Recorder and what steps to take to identify and resolve the problem. After selecting your customer in Smart Recorder, you can trigger a search for templates by using the exclamation mark accelerator and typing your search term. Once you have typed at least 3 characters, SmartIT will start its search and return matching incident templates. In this case, we see one matching incident template with the name VPN connectivity issue. When using this search method, SmartIT will perform its search for templates directly against the tables in the AR system database related to the remedy form that holds the template data. If we check directly in the template form in mid-tier with an administrator account and search for enabled templates with VPN in their name, we can indeed see the same template returned. If we go back to Smart Recorder, the second way to search for templates is by starting to type your issue description in Smart Recorder without using an accelerator. Once you have typed at least 3 characters and leave a pause, SmartIT will trigger a search to find recommended resources to display on the right-hand side of the screen. Amongst these resources is the recommended templates section, and we can now see that no incident templates were found for our search on VPN. For the second search method, SmartIT does not search in the AR system database for templates, but instead it searches in AR system's full-text index. The next step we can take on client side to troubleshoot this issue is to reload Smart Recorder, select our customer again, and at this point we open the browser's developer tools using F12. On the console tab, clear the history and move to the network tab. If we now type our search term again, we can see several REST calls going out, and one of them is the call to retrieve the recommended template data. If we select that call and expand the response, we can see that the expected template VPN connectivity issue is there. So the issue is not that it's missing from the index. However, the search also returned a second template, which we did not see in the HPD template form itself. If we now move to the console tab, we can see that an error has occurred as well. eTemplate object is null. Now let's check what data is present in the FTS index. To do this, we can open the MFS multiform search in mid-tier, which allows us to perform searches against the FTS index. Open the advanced section and enter the VPN search term in any of these words field. Then choose the option Selected Forms to only perform the search against the index of the form that SmartIT queries during its template search. In this case, the HPD template company join inner form, as we use company-driven template search in our setup. When we trigger the search, we can indeed see that 2 matches are found, suggesting the index is not in sync with the form data. To resolve this, we need to trigger a re-index for this join form. One of the ways to do this is by going to the AR System Server Group console form and opening the FTS management screen. Here we can choose the option to select the target form name and initiate a re-index. Depending on the amount of data in the form, this can take time to complete and it would affect FTS searches, so you may want to perform this action outside of business hours and test on a lower environment with similar template and foundation data first. Once the re-index completes, go back to the MFS multiform search form, and we can now see that the second entry is indeed no longer present. As a final check, go back to Smart Recorder and trigger the search for recommended templates again. We can see that the expected template is now displayed in the recommended templates section. For further reading on all the details how incident template searches work in SmartIT, how the FTS index may get out of sync, and which join form you would have to re-index depending on your configuration settings, please also review the following blog posts and troubleshooting guides on this topic. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope that you found it helpful. Please visit the BMC Remedy and Discovery channel on YouTube to watch other related videos, and hit the subscribe button to never miss an update.